Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Alright, so let's begin. First, to reboot this device, we need to open up the power menu. It is really easy. We need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. So, hold both of the buttons. And now, as you can see, the power menu appeared. Now, simply tap on the restart. Tap once again. Now you can see that the Samsung logo disappeared from the screen, and within a second our device will be automatically turned on again and it will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.